Hello friends, thank you for joining me. If you have an overactive mind but hate meditation, then you came to the right place. This will be a moving meditation, so you'll get all the benefits of meditation, but without having to sit still. My name's Gillian, and I'll be guiding you through this practice. It will be in a comfortable seat, so make yourself comfortable. You might need a pillow or a bolster. Find what you need. We'll start out making circles with our chest. Inhale as we go forward and exhale back and around. Inhale forward and exhale back and around. Do this at your own breath. Switch directions. Inhale as you come forward and exhale back and around. Return to neutral. Bring your shoulders up to your ears and exhale them back and down, making circles with your shoulders. We'll just do this a few times at your own breath. Switch directions. Inhaling, bringing your shoulders up and exhaling them forward. And relax. Plant your right hand, bring your left arm up and bend over to the side. Take a deep breath here and release. Switch sides, plant your left hand, bring your right arm up, bending to the side, really feeling that stretch. Take a deep breath here and release. We'll do this a few times at your own breath, inhaling as you come up and exhale as you drop your arm and come over to the side. Inhale up, exhale, plant your hand, bend over to the side. Continue doing this with your breath. Return to neutral, bring your hands back to your knees for cat-cow back. Inhale, cow, pulling your chest forward, arching your spine, maybe looking up. Exhale, arch your back, cat. Inhale, cow, and exhale, cat. Do this a few times at your own breath. Relax, rolling out your shoulders one more time. Release. Maybe close your eyes. Take 3 deep breaths, exhaling through your mouth. And on your final exhale, bring your hands to your heart. Open your eyes. Thank you for joining me today. Namaste.